Life has taught me one important lesson, and I want to share it with you. Ungabi nendaba nempandla yami nesiphongo into zenotho lezi. Whether you believe in God, your ancestors, or both, remember these blessings often come through people. God or your ancestors may choose someone to open a door for you, recommend you for a job, support your business, or encourage you when you're about to give up, or simply hold the ladder while you climb. There are some people abadalwe empilweni, abadalwe nje ukuthi bafike empilweni yakho bakubambelelele uye empumelelweni yakho. Kodwa ngoba wena waziwa njengomachiliske, uxabana nabo bonke abantu, you are holding your success, uzifake ku-pose yokuthi uye empumelelweni yakho. It's not like uzovumela abantu bakuphathe kabi, bakudelele. Cha, yikuba nobuntu. Ubuntu impilo yomuntu. What if the person you keep fighting with is the very person meant to be part of your breakthrough? You will never know. And that doesn't mean you should let people mistreat you. No, it simply means choose peace where you can. If you have wronged someone, find the courage to apologize. If you can't do it today, it's okay. Maybe because of pride, they call it what? Maybe because of ego. At least stop creating new enemies as from today after watching this video. Ungadali ezinye izitha empilweni yakho. Protect your relationships. You never know which person will become the bridge to your next blessings. Be kind, be humble, choose peace. Your next opportunity may come through someone you least expect. Uyayizwa lento? Wona ufuna ukuhlonipha abantu abakhulu kuphela. Bakhona nabancane abangela lutho abangakwenza wena ube nolutho. Angikhulumi ngenyanga, angikhulumi ngomprofeti, ngikhuluma nge-general life. Uyayizwa lento? Oba mazi umuntu as from today. Don't let pride close the door that was meant to lead you to your breakthrough. Mebhali ngizwa lina. Liyangizwa kodwa. Yekela ukuxabana nabantu. Mfethu, yekela ukuhlala uxabana nabantu. Hawu, uyazi ukuthi nanxa befuna ukukubulala wena bayakwazi ukuthi wena vele bangakugxoba ikhonzi uspringa bakubulale. Ungahlali usaziwa njengejajaja. Ngicela ningisize bakithi inwele sokuhobe lapha ngifuna ukuqhina. Like, comment, share, let others benefit. Yes. But on a serious note, guys, avoid making enemies. Avoid making unnecessary enemies. I'm signing out.